Gear, it is a soaker out there. We are seeing some tropical moisture moving in from this area located over the northwestern Bahamas. Now, we're going to see on and off showers from time to time. Heavier downpours could be possible. Flooding could be a big concern today leading into the middle part of the work week. Highs today will be in the lower 90s. Wet at times. The area over the Bahamas is being watched by the National Hurricane Center. They're giving it a 40% chance of tropical cyclone development. The development itself is not expected over South Florida and won't be until it starts to meander either the Gulf of Mexico or just north of us. Otherwise, the disorganized showers and storms associated with what was once Harvey in the western Atlantic will head into the Gulf and could be redeveloping as it heads towards Texas, so something we'll watch over the weekend. Highs today will be in the lower 90s. Again, all eyes on that moisture that will be moving in throughout the week, keeping us in an unsettled weather pattern.